doing?
Mr. St. Louis, right?
Yes, indeed.
All right, so what brought you out here today?
I had some results based on the program that I implemented from 100% Finance, and I said, you know what, let me come out here and meet these guys in person and see if there's anything else I can grow with.
Excellent. What program was that?
It's the 100% Finance audiobooks and ebooks.
So how did that help you?
What I did was I used some of the information to clear up some, demographics on my credit report. And I actually found out that once you start doing that, you actually have to really pay close attention to your credit, because they'll put alerts on your accounts that don't allow you to do certain things because you're in the process of rebuilding your credit. And I didn't know that, so I was still applying for one or two things, and it kind of hindered me. And I'm like, in a good way, it actually worked out to my benefit. I was able to give a call and find out this information, which in turn kind of just made me more structured towards paying attention to my credit, because it's not something that I've ever really done. Also, I implemented a strategic way of approaching my derogatory remarks on the accounts, and I found out that consistency and a good relationship with a notary comes in very handy. And my credit score jumped about 40-something points as of last month.
Man, roll up.
Yeah, so I definitely had to come out here today and meet you guys and share my appreciation, as well as see if I can gather more
I appreciate that. We appreciate you too, man, because it's an honor, for one, for people to want to hear what you had to say, but also to implement what you had to say. Because there's so many people out there, not to knock anyone, they'll take the information and say, oh, it was good information, but they fail to implement it. You actually took some action.
Yes, I did.
All right, cool, bro. So any last shout outs?
I enjoyed the 100% Finance Facebook group. I've gotten to link with some people who have given me some good tutelage as to how to maneuver with my finances. Although I'm not where I want to be yet, I do have faith that being a part of the groups and coming to these meetings is going to help me exponentially.
And you get the access to the group through the ebook, right?
Yes, I did.